Picture yourself in a lush oasis where the golden light of late summer lingers, where vibrant blooms dance with soft breezes, and where every moment feels like a celebration of nature's beauty. Welcome to the world of late summer patio design, where serenity meets splendor in a riot of color and greenery. Welcome back to Visionary Designs, where we transform outdoor spaces into extraordinary havens. Today, we're exploring the art of creating enchanting patio retreats perfect for savoring those precious late summer days and evenings. As we journey through 5 distinct approaches to late summer patio design, let your imagination wander. Envision spaces that blend the lushness of nature with the comfort of outdoor living, where every element invites you to relax and immerse yourself in the beauty of the season. Are you ready to discover how your patio can become a serene yet vibrant retreat? Then let's begin our tour of late summer patio inspiration. Before we dive in, if you're excited about creating your own late summer paradise, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue bringing you these inspiring design journeys. Now, let's step into the world of late summer patio perfection. Our journey begins with tropical Serenity, where we create a lush, exotic retreat right in your backyard. Imagine stepping onto a patio enveloped by large-leafed tropical plants, banana trees, bird of paradise, and elephant ears creating a private green cocoon. A comfortable sectional in crisp white provides ample seating, adorned with pillows in shades of deep green and vibrant turquoise. Underfoot, weathered wooden decking adds warmth and natural texture. A water feature, perhaps a small modern fountain, provides a soothing soundtrack of gentle trickling. As evening approaches, oversized lanterns with flickering flameless candles cast a warm, inviting glow. Can you feel the stress melting away in this serene, tropical-inspired space? Next, we explore the timeless appeal of cottage garden charm, perfect for those who love a more romantic, flower-filled setting. Envision a patio surrounded by a riot of late summer blooms, dahlias, black-eyed Susans, and asters in shades of purple, orange, and yellow. An iron pergola, draped with climbing roses and clematis, frames a vintage-inspired dining set, perfect for alfresco meals. Mismatched chairs painted in pastel hues add whimsy and color. Nearby, a cozy seating area features a plush love seat with a faded floral pattern, inviting quiet contemplation of the garden's beauty. String lights weave through the pergola, ready to illuminate enchanting evenings. Can you imagine the joy of dining amidst the flowers as butterflies flit by? Our journey continues with a Zen Garden Retreat, where we create a space of tranquility and mindful beauty. Picture a patio where clean lines and carefully curated elements evoke a sense of calm. A low-profile sectional in neutral tones provides comfortable seating, its simplicity allowing the surrounding nature to shine. A focal point is created by a large, shallow bowl filled with water and floating lotus flowers. Nearby, a small gravel garden with artfully arranged rocks invites contemplation. Japanese maples in various shades of green and red add height and seasonal interest. As night falls, paper lanterns cast a soft, diffused light. Can you feel the sense of peace this harmonious space brings? This approach shows how simplicity in nature can create a profoundly restful atmosphere. Let's explore the warm, inviting world of Mediterranean sunset, perfect for those who love to entertain. Imagine a patio bathed in the warm hues of a late summer evening. A long wooden table, weathered to perfection, is set for a gathering of friends and family. Chairs in mix and match styles are unified by seat cushions in shades of terracotta and azure. Overhead, a pergola drapes with wisteria, its late blooms adding a touch of purple to the scene. Terracotta pots filled with lavender, rosemary, and olive trees evoke the sense of the Mediterranean. As the sun sets, strings of Edison bulbs illuminate the space with a golden glow. Can you picture the laughter and conversation flowing as freely as the wine in this inviting setting? In our final approach, we embrace the natural beauty of a wildflower meadow, bringing the essence of late summer fields to your patio. Envision a patio that blends seamlessly with a sea of wildflowers. Cosmos, coneflowers, and goldenrod sway gently in the breeze. A curved pathway of stepping stones leads to a circular seating area, where Adirondack chairs in soft, weathered blue invite relaxation. A fire pit takes center stage, ready for cozy evenings under the stars. Nearby, an old wooden ladder serves as a unique plant stand, displaying pots of native grasses and late-blooming perennials. Illumination comes from solar-powered lanterns scattered throughout the wildflowers, creating a magical atmosphere as darkness falls. Can you imagine the joy of being surrounded by the vibrant colors and gentle movement of this meadow-inspired retreat? As our journey through late summer patio inspirations comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the serene yet vibrant spaces we've discovered. We've seen how tropical lushness can create a private paradise, how cottage gardens bring romantic charm, how Zen retreats offer mindful tranquility, how Mediterranean warmth invites gatherings, and how wildflower meadows celebrate natural beauty. These approaches prove that a late summer patio can be both a feast for the eyes and a balm for the soul. It's an opportunity to create an outdoor space that captures the essence of the season, its colors, its abundance, and its invitation to savor every moment. We hope this tour has inspired you to look at your patio with fresh eyes. If you've enjoyed this journey through late summer patio designs, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring outdoor living ideas. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which of these approaches to late summer patio design resonates most with you? Share your ideas and your own patio inspirations in the comments below. Until next time, may your outdoor spaces be sources of serenity, beauty, and endless summer joy. Thank you for joining us on this design adventure, and we look forward to welcoming you back for our next exploration of visionary living spaces.